Your website's pricing page isn't just about the numbers. It can be a powerful tool for getting more clients and jobs. In fact, it could be an entire marketing strategy you might not have considered. To attract more qualified leads and improve your site's performance, today's topic could be a game changer for your company. And to dig into this, I'm pleased to welcome back a regular guest to the program, Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing. Joe, hope you're doing well.
I am. Thank you very much, Jeff. Thank you for having me back. And yeah, I'd like to dig into this because it was interesting when I went to a marketing conference, specifically an SEO conference at the end of 2024. There was a speaker there that had done some pretty deep research on pricing pages for small businesses and how that affects SEO. I never had really considered this from an SEO standpoint. A lot of small businesses absolutely do not want to put pricing on a website. They'd rather do pricing over the phone or once they get into the house, especially when it comes to cleaning companies. And I understand that. I used to have a cleaning company, so I completely understand where the business owner is coming from on this. But from the research that this specific speaker was conducting, he found out with data that Google will actually give a ranking bump to a website, especially in the organic rankings, when you have a pricing page on your website. Now, I know the big pushback is, well, I don't want to give my pricing on a website because then a potential customer can shop. They can go find a cheaper price. Or I don't want my competitors to know what my pricing is because then it becomes a price war. There's lots of different reasons why you don't want to put your pricing on your website. But what's cool is you don't necessarily have to just put your pricing directly on your website. Google will actually reward you for also putting price ranges on your website, so you don't have to put exact prices. Or if you're like a water damage company, restoration, you can't necessarily just put prices on your website. You can actually just put a price explanation page on your website, how you determine prices, or you can actually explain how it's difficult to, price on a website and how you'll need to get on a phone call to actually give the exact pricing. So there's lots of ways to create a pricing page without specifically putting exact prices on the website itself and still get that ranking benefit. Another interesting thing is when they started asking some of the people in the audience what they thought about putting pricing on a website. Several of the people said, "Hey, I'm much more likely to call a service company if they have some sort of pricing page on the website than if they don't." They just felt like there was more trust involved if a service company was willing to talk about price on a website, as opposed to a company that kind of didn't say anything about pricing. They just felt like there was much more trust involved. So I thought that was interesting because it never really occurred to me. So there you go. I think everybody should put some sort of pricing page on their website to get a little bit of that SEO value, give Google something to look at, and just kind of get another SEO ranking factor to kind of consider when you're building out your website. As soon as I learned about this, I went home and guess what? I put a pricing page on my website.
Joe, this is like a revelation here because you're right. No one wants to publish their prices, but what are one of the most common questions a potential customer is going to ask on Google? How
Yeah,
much should I pay?
what are your prices? Yeah. And that's probably the first question most people get when they get on the phone is what are your prices? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah. And so Google knows that. And that's why I think Google's like giving people this little reward. They're saying, you know what, if you're willing to kind of give people what they want, we're going to give you a little bit of a ranking increase in the organic section. So it's
Well,
pretty
and
interesting.
when someone hits your website and they see that there's a pricing page, however you post that on your homepage, if that's what you do, they're gonna like that because that's the question they're gonna have, as you've already mentioned. And you could just talk about what things could cost, I suppose. You could put a parameter. But you do want to talk to that customer for that firm pricing, I would think.
Yeah, yeah. If you can have the word pricing and then have some sort of numbers and some sort of explanation on that page, you're good to go.
Hmm. Well, Joe, thank you for this.
Absolutely, Jeff. Thanks once again. Thanks for having me on.